see. Out of gear. Okay, indicators are on. Ready? Okay, and there you go. Woohoo! She sounds alright. She sounds alright, baby. Oh dear, fuel is leaking. I better tighten that one up. Right, I've just tightened that clamp up. Hopefully she won't leak now. Let's get her started again, shall we? Let's check. Oh, all done now. It's not wanting to start. Weird. Some sort of mobiliser on it. Weird. I got the battery terminal. Now it's tight. Weird. Let's see what she does now. Bloody interesting. Huh. Well done with the key now. Oh god, which pocket's it in? This pocket. Interesting. Very, very interesting. And now she won't start, so I guess we'll check the fuses, eh? Obviously not been running a while. Main fuses look sweet. Visual inspection says they look good. I wonder what could have happened then. What's possibly got wet that's stopping it from starting? I don't think anything would have stopped it from starting. Oh Jesus Christ. Annoying. Come on. Immobiliser maybe? I don't know what the code is. Got this alarm panel, which I think it's on. I mean, press a button or something, it might. Oh, I haven't even pressed the button, it just flashed. Or maybe I did press a button. See, press a 1. I haven't pressed it yet. That's been pressing. Okay, so I think the immobiliser's cutting for whatever reason, I don't know. Now we're just taking interior apart, try and find this bloody alarm system that's on it, which I do not have a fob for. Strange how it started and it didn't want to start. Interesting. Anyway, it's another issue we've got to tackle, but it'll come off. Let's get this off and see where the wires are going. I think I did see the wires here. Look, they're running all the way across here, so God knows where they're actually going to. God knows. Let's have a look. I think this might be it here, this module here, so unbolt that and it should pull off. Right, there we go, it's a Sigma, so we've got to trace back all these lines, see where they go, disconnect this piece of crap. So got a date on it? Don't think it's got a date on it, is it? No, just get this crap off, it'll work properly then. Let's go. I'll tell you what, whoever fitted this did a pretty good job of hiding it all. Pretty good job. Like, they're just all tucked everywhere, so I need to untuck it all. Just untuck it. Right, this black one's a sensor wire, that just goes to that sensor there. I'm going to find all the other wires first and see where they go before I start cutting crap. All of this is to the alarm. Again, it just cable tied everything, really tucked it up out of the way, so I need to take them cable ties off. That's the LED wire which just pops out of there, so I will put that back afterwards. Now we've just got all these wires running to the other side, and this big one here, big thick one, I need to see what that's wired into. It's going somewhere for sure, can't actually see it at the minute. I'm actually flipping furious. So this guy, whoever's done this, he's done it like I would do it. He's done a flipping proper job of it, and oh my god, is it bloody annoying. He's literally taped the shit out of everything. Oh, he's tucked everything. Here's two wires, need rejoining. He's actually chopped the section out of the middle of them as well, so it's not even easy to rejoin. that one there needs to be joined up to that black white one there. It's just, that's the first one that needs doing. Let's get it done. Right, here's some same gauge wire. Alright, same gauge. Just cut and join that. Before I start cutting, I am going to see where all the rest of the wires go, and I'll cut it all in one go then, and I know it's all done. Not only has he cut all the wires, but he's cut all the lengths of wires that go in between them as well, so I need to make new joins on new wires on them. Right, and there's a white wire for that one. It is slightly thicker gauge, but it's better thicker than thinner. And now I just need to find the other ones which are coming out. So that's that one, and I've got all this one here. Hey, there's another one coming out. Oh, that is that one. Okay, that's fine. So what's this one then? Oh my days. Okay, well, God knows what he's done. Dummy wires, maybe? Where does this one go to? That's a good question. Where does that go to? Okay, that's like tucked deep in here somewhere behind there, is it? Or is it? I don't know. Okay, and that one here of the alarm is actually going into this one down here. That one, so we need to check that now too. Right, these ones can be, that one needs to be joined up with whichever wire that one's been chopped from, and of course he's chopped the length out of it. Assuming this is a man, of course. That one there can just be chopped because that's just solder joined on. When I've got some other ones down here I need to look at to get all this off. This is, I wasn't expecting to do this today, guys, but I guess here we are. Oh, there's another one there, look. Another one that's been joined there. That one there has been joined quite clearly, which is, which one's that? I know which one that is. Let's just get them off. There's another blue one there, look. Has he done it all the way down? What an arsehole. What an absolute... Don't tell me I have to take this trim off as well. Seriously? Right, better do it I suppose. This arsehole's literally chopped out, and he's not even used the correct gauge, but he's chopped out that whole wire from there to there. I think I've found all the wires now, so I just need to, let me see. Yeah, I think so. Yep, so now I just need to start chopping, and that should be fine, and then joining. We're doing one wire at a time, and we know we've got it done. Alright, let's go. Start with this black white wire, because I think that's the most important one. So we'll join that one back up. Alright, good stuff. Good stuff. Got this black one defined that he's chopped. No idea where he's chopped it. Probably somewhere up there, or I can't get it. Anyway, I will get it eventually. What's this here? What is that? Is that wire? It is that wire. What's that to then? Interesting. Is there any sensors in the back? Don't think so. Anyway, let's chop that. Not chop it, sorry, strip it. So one-handed here, guys. So bear with me. There we go. Twist that. Do the same with the other side, and then we'll crimp them up. When we join new wire on, of course. Let's get this one done. Come on. There we go. Strip it and do it, let's go. One joint done, we're going to tape it and I'll cut it to the right length, strip it and put it on that one, let's go. Okay, that's pulled out now. Just got to sort that one out still. That's joined up and taped. I'll have to tape them all back up afterwards. Now this wire here has got this going into this module box, and it looks like it needs to join that from there to there. So we chop these two off and then join that white one. So we'll do that now. Let's go. Chop that. Chop it somewhere where we can get it. There. And I'll chop that one. Oh, we need to chop it. Come on. It's a bit hard this one to get. Chop that one. There. There we go. And that. There we go. So that bit's out now. Alright. Still got more wires. There's flipping loads of wires. But that is now out. That I'm leaving on there in case I want to earth some gauges. That'll put a boost gauge on it. So that one can stay there for now. Alright. I'll use that as an earth since it's already on there. Can join on to that one. Alright, I just have to join this white one now. If doing one at a time, guys, step by step, and you got it good. Alright, let's do them ones. Find a bit of wire goes in between them. That One's done. The white wire I had quite a thin core. It was thick sheath on it, so I've just done that one. That one's fine. What else have we got here? Oh, some fucking wacky wires here. That one must be going to the yeah, that one's going up the pillar to the sensor. So I'll just cut that one off. We don't need that one. I'll leave that one long in case anyone wants to join onto it. Let's cut it about. Let's cut it there. Done. I spent so much time trying to tuck the wires, like it really is winding me up. Anyway, let's cut these ones off. There's 2 wires here we just don't need. What an arsehole. Let's cut them. Probably cutting through a bit of solder there, move it up a little bit. There we go. Right, I have to strip them and join them. Alright, strip them and join them. How annoying. Let's go. Those 2 are done. Just need to make the bit in between them. Alright, cut a bit of that, do that. One's fixed. I'm not going to fully tape everything back up yet, just purely because I want to make sure it runs first before I take all the tape off of everything. Just got this one to fix here. Oh, Jesus Christ. What an arsehole. I know I keep saying it, but what an absolute arsehole. Why? Why do that? Fucking knob. This guy must have thought he was the world's best auto electrician. Jesus, that is going to be very difficult to get to that one. But got to do it, got to do it. Still haven't found this one. Need to find that one. Maybe chopped off here somewhere, for sure. I don't know where he's chopped it, but he's chopped it. Shall I unbolt this? Maybe I will unbolt that. What, like 10 mils? Let's unbolt it. The actual arsehole, okay, that's what we're calling him now, the arsehole. He is actually hidden the alarm box under there. Don't know if you can see it. The siren box is there. We're not taking it out. We're going to clip this back in. That should pull through now into the car. How bloody annoying. So annoying. Let's put it through. This way because of the angle. Pulled it out from the front. That's out. No longer attached. Annoying, annoying, annoying. Let's try and pull this big wire through. That technically should pull that through. Oh, it's bloody solid, isn't it? Oh, so solid. This one pull? Don't know. Pull it from the other side. Absolute arseholes done this. He's probably just cable tied it somewhere else. Fucking arsehole. Hidden cable tie right under here, which you can't even get to. Holding that wire in. Don't think it's gonna. It feels like quite a big one, so I can't really yank it and break it. Let's see what we can do. I reckon that's done. I reckon that's done. This one, is this one coming out? Where's it caught around? There we are. Alright, alarm's off. Alarm seems to be off. Seems to be. Wonder if it will start. Am I missing any wires? Don't think so. Right, let's see. Put that on. Start up. We get a key. Let's see. Come on. Yep, I'm a G. I'm a G, I'm a G, I'm a G. Perfect. Oh, did I plug in? I think I did plug it in, didn't I? Yep. Sounds good. Give it a little rev. Sounds good. Sounds very, very good. Oh, it's not been running a while, so nice. Needs to get mapped because it's a bit rich, but let's try it again. Just turned it off. Fuel pump's running, you can hear it. Perfect. Good job. Doesn't seem to be having leaks anywhere. It seems to be nice and dry. Yeah, we're good. We're very, 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 very good, and it's actually a lot quieter than what I thought it would be. Alright, happy days. Ugh. Works. Brake lights work. Horn works. Good stuff. Good stuff. Right, let's turn them off. Let's go. Off she goes. The fuel is reading full on that. It might have a full tank of fuel, but I doubt it. Anyway. Sweet. Tape back up nicely. Taped. Everything's taped. Again, can use like this one for boost gauge or something. I'll put a mount and boost gauge or maybe a volt gauge on there. Don't think it really needs a water temp gauge. I'll just put a couple of gauges. It might be one of them pods there for that, but I'm not too sure. Anyway, let's get it all back together. Let's get it back together. That needs bobbing back in too. That's supposed to clip into there. Should do. That comes up here. And that should go above it like that. Oh, that'll go behind it first. I might go behind it, innit? What's that go? How's that go again? Oh, that's like that, innit? Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. And this stuff obviously goes into there. Anyway, that's looking good. Get them 2 bolts in there as well. It's looking fantastic. Let's get it all bolted up. These need clipping back. That should clip round. That should clip round too. Alright, good stuff. Bolted back on. It's worth checking fuses. I noticed there's one missing, number 4. That is the mirrors and cigarette lighter. So that's been taken out. So I might as well put one back in there while we're at it. Let's get that done. Right, and there's a nice new 20 amp. Push that in. Right, see if the mirrors work then. Put the ignition on. Where's the key? Oh wait, hang on a minute. Has someone taken out the mirror switch? That's the wrong key, that's from my van. Someone take it. Where did I do with the keys for this now? Hold on a minute. I wonder if a mirror switch is supposed to be in there. Don't see it. I think someone's taken it off. Oh, hang on. Left, right. Oh. Didn't know. Check. Ignition's on. Mirrors, look, do not work. Yeah, with that unplugged. Plug it in, and you'll see they're not. I thought they're folding mirrors like Evos. They're not. They're not folding mirrors on these. Okay, that's the fuses in. Switch. Left mirror. As you can see, it's moving. Same with this side. Okay, it's moving. Right, we're good. Right, we are very, very good. Right guys, that is a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for following the build. If you're not following the build, click on subscribe now and check out my other crazy builds too. Please share my videos, please like them, leave a comment if you want, and most importantly, stay tuned to see the result.